right, day 2 in the van on our way to town to, what are we doing?
Buy supplies. So we're going to run. We're gonna buy adhesive we need to glue down the foam, paint stripper to clean. These windows have this type of
Some weird
acrylic paint. You can see that. Anyway, we're gonna try to use that to clear those windows. We're also gonna be buying the construction. We're aiming for 5/8 inch to give a little more structure to the floor. Plywood, construction plywood basically, to put our subfloor on. And then we're also gonna go ahead and buy steel studs. So we're gonna buy about, they come in 10-foot strips. So probably 20 to 30 of those. So we can get about 300 feet in order to frame our bathroom and our back dinette, convertible, garage, bed frame. We're going over there to buy some stuff. We're also gonna be reupholstering these seats as well. They're a little old and we're gonna be running to do that.
This is pretty nasty.
Yeah, we got a little, it's my hole. I can hide some things at the moment.
So that was a mouthful, but basically today we are going to get started on the interior. I know we kind of got started on the interior yesterday, but plan is in motion.
That's
Get
right.
this nastiness cleaned up off the floor and then we can get started. We made it, the motherland. Mask on, obviously. Okay, what are we looking for?
So we're looking again,
Yeah.
looking for 5/8 inch construction ply. So I'll show you the difference. So I believe this is 5/8 inch, and you'll see this is what you don't want. It's kind of like compressed. This cracks. It doesn't last very long. It's not what you want. You're looking for something more.
And it's stinky.
Yeah, I'm stinky. It's probably me. You're looking for something like this. It's actually, you know, actual hardwood. Right? So looking for 5/8.
This bad. All right, first load done. On to the next store.
On to the orange boys.
We're here at Home Depot. Let's go shopping. It's hot. We're trying to find some steel studs, right? Frames. We've been to Lowe's, we've been to Home Depot, and we can't find them anywhere. We found what we were looking for.
Finally, after a lot of help from people.
From absolutely no one.
Yeah.
And what is this for, babe?
This is basically going to be what we frame our bathroom. This is going in the...
It's like the skeleton.
Basically, yeah. Instead of using, you usually use 2x4s, right? To frame. However, because of how the van is built, it's kind of like dome type of style. We want as much flexibility with our framing as possible. So this is not just lightweight, a lot lighter than 2x4.
It's pliable.
It's also pliable and yeah, it's a lot easier to use.
In the bank. Or maybe I should say out of the bank.
We're here supporting small business. Pretty sure they're Puerto Rican as well, so this is awesome. Maybe might be talking a little Spanglish.
Español.
So,
What is this place called?
this is just Santa's upholstery. So
Fabrics.
look at this type of fabric. No, we don't want that fabric. We want something different, man. Probably. Yeah, probably a new pad.
The pad, we can get a pad, we can fix that up, we can put some fun on it. The pad you can throw.
Okay, so
Update.
yes. Okay, so the place was, they were really nice.
Very. You know, we're supporting local. Trying
It's
to.
important, especially now, like with everything that's going on with this pandemic.
We're not gonna tell you how much it was.
It was a lot. It was, let's
Not
just
really.
say, more than $400.
Yeah, but we're getting basically 2 brand new seats.
Right, and
So-
this is our house us now, so we want it to be nice. And
Hey, want to ride? We're gonna be riding long time. Ride me long time.
oh, this is horrible. I stepped in a giant puddle. This is not an entrance.
Oh, we forgot our masks.
Okay, so it's been a long day. We're gonna start working on the flooring tonight. We accidentally sent packages to the wrong address, so we have to wait for those to get here. Well, actually, no, we have to go back to Gainesville, pick them up, and take them back to Panama City. But yeah, we're gonna do that next week. So tonight we're gonna work on the floor, and here's the time lapse. What are we doing now?
Laying down flooring. Foam.
Oh yeah. So we have to take that foam and we have to cut it to fill these spots. Because I guess there's no better way to do it. So that's what we're doing now.
Well,
Ta-da!
finished part 1 of laying down foam insulation for the flooring. This is Minicel 3/8 inch flooring. It covers basically a assist flush with all the grooves, so we put them in all the indents of the floor in order to kind of make everything flush. Yep.
Beautiful.
Next step is 1/4 inch Minicel.
Flat across the whole thing.
Yep. So
And then the wood.
then the ply, subflooring. We got our floors down, or subfloor at least. So this is 1932 construction ply, which is about a little bit over 1/2 inch. So we wanted some structure, some strength. Yeah, that's the last piece we put. Had to wiggle in that little edge there, keep cutting in. But yeah, moving forward, guys.
Okay, go.
Day 2 complete. We got the floor, subfloor finished. She's
So
looking
what's-
real nice.
What's next? We're gonna order some stuff tonight.
Yeah, today's the big one. Yeah, start buying all the water holding tanks, electrical wiring. We're gonna start getting a big Home Depot cart online going. I think all in all, good day. We're able to check one off the list. And what do you think, baby?
I'm tired.
Yeah, it's been a good one. It's been hot.
It's raining now, so we're just gonna call it. Order the stuff and go to bed. Start all over again tomorrow.
See you next time.